Hey, this is Chuntianle. Last time I shared with you Mozart, Strawberry, and chapter 23 of my book, Success in Music Made Simple, Health and Wellness. And also I share my story. I visit my doctor and I try to eat more fruit and vegetable and took the immediate action to buy the fruit and vegetable and eat it. Today I'm going to continue this subject. I bought 2 boxes of strawberry, 2 boxes. And the first box is done. I finished it. And this is the second box of strawberry. And today I'm going to share with you, I also bought cherry. Cherry season always make me smile, make me happy. It looks so cute and it tastes sweet. Also today I'm going to eat more strawberry. I wash it. And this is the strawberry in a bag. Oh, sorry, in a box. And this is, I wash it already. Let me try how it tastes. How it tastes. Let me clean my hand first. Today I'm going to try cherry the first. This is a cherry I bought. It's little round, sweet, and looks very cute. And the cherry let me take this good opportunity. How to say cherry in Chinese? Cherry called 樱桃，樱桃。我在吃樱桃。I'm eating cherry. Read after me. This is cherry. 这是樱桃。I'm eating cherry. 我在吃樱桃。Okay. So you got how to say that? 樱桃，我在吃樱桃。Okay. Let me try cherry first. See how it tastes. It looks cute, simple, and tastes sweet and perfect. Again, cherry season make me happy and make me smile. It looks very cute. It looks very cute. Let me try another one. Let me try another one. Tastes amazing. It's very cold too. I took it out. I just took it out from a refrigerator. It's very cold too. Let's eat one more. Now, I'm going to try strawberry. Today I eat two types of fruit. This is a strawberry. Okay, let me taste how it look like. Very good too. Let me try again. Very good. I have a question for you. Cherry and strawberry. Which one do you like? What is your preference? Comment below. Below my video. Comment it. Let me know. Share your experience. What kind of fruit do you like? And the cherry and strawberry, which one you like? Which one you like? Try to make sure be healthy and safe. Summer is here. Fruit season, cherry season, strawberry season. It's very beautiful. If my message reaches you, if my message inspires you, don't forget to hit subscribe, share, like, and comment. It will make the video reach more people and help more people. Summer is here. Don't forget, eat fruit. Cherry, strawberry. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.